Welcome to Practical Digital Strategies. I'm Guy Cook, and if you're a small business owner, digital marketer, a blogger, you're in the right place. I'm here to help you unlock the power of digital with practical strategies that will drive results. Stick around and learn how to elevate your digital presence. Make that game happen one video at a time. Let's get started. Hi. And if you're looking on YouTube, you can see what I'm saying. And if you're not looking and you don't have the Google document in front of you where you can pause it and go forward and so forth, go to the theguyrcookreport.podbean.com and you'll get a link there for the New Week, New Goals, the Secret Monday Motivation document that I've got here in Google. And it's right there. Okay. The jump starting of the week on Monday doesn't need to be the, oh my God, it's Monday, bad news, but rather get started on the week, set the goals. You'll see a number of professionals listed in this Google document, and that's what they do. They're putting their, I guess you'd say, ducks in a row, as the old saying goes, to get the plan for the week's activity. And take a look at the Google document, if you will. Like I say, it's at theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, and it's another one of those practical digital strategies to stay ahead. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.